No matter if you're a small, medium, or large enterprise, a contract is more than just a work agreement between you and your client. Contracts represent accountability, regulatory compliance, and ongoing revenue opportunity. If you'd like to improve contract lifecycle workflow and gain unprecedented perspective on contract revenue projections, financial compliance, and liability, turn to Open Source Contract Management Solution. Open Source's scalable, software-as-a-service platform provides a strategic asset control tool with accountability. Uploading a new or existing contract to Open Source creates a document searchable by file name, keyword, topic, or any predetermined process-specific data. Using Open Source, you can locate contracts for review, compare content of documents, including those in PDF, and even create a template for similar accounts to quickly generate new contracts. With Open Source, you identify the key stakeholders who can share and collaborate on each contract, even those outside the organization. Each time a contract file is accessed, Open Source's reporting feature records an audit trail that reveals who's looking at it and when, providing rigid administrative accountability that meets the strictest of federal, state, or industry regulations. Open Source's comprehensive management keeps you informed of upcoming events throughout the life cycle of individual contracts. You'll know objectives to be met before you reach them. Notification can be sent through the administrative chain by identified individual or key stakeholder role, facilitating any changes in personnel that might occur during the contract's lifecycle. Documented completion of actionable items in Open Source provides for better accountability. And when it's time to reopen contract negotiation, Open Source's virtual deal room offers a highly secure environment to conduct transactions. In use since 1995, Open Source's clients count on us to track the lifecycle of their contracts. If you need exceptional contract lifecycle management, along with customizable reporting that offers a real-time snapshot of assets, liabilities, and potential contract income, contact us today to learn more about Open Source's contract management solution.